So, you want to literally move mountains. Start by creating a new GeoNode setup, delete the group input, and add in a grid. Realize you still need the group input and add it back. Add more inputs, exactly 6. Give them these names. Connect your ground size and resolution to the grid size and vertices. Use a set position, noise, texture, and math to create vertical displacement of your grid. You've got mountains. Add in another grid and use the water level input to set its position. Use another noise texture to make waves, but make them small. What else do mountains have? Rocks. Distribute rocks on the mountain with a distribute points node and instance some icospheres on those points. Use another noise texture to make them different sizes. Create some new materials for water, ground rocks, and shrubs. We'll get to those in a bit. Add set material nodes to each group we've made so far. For your water, make it glassy. For the ground, make it grassy. Use some noise to mix it with dirt. Just make the rocks brown and rough. Let's make shrubs. Use a star and some noise to make a chaotic mess. Scatter this mess across the land. Limit it to the water line with a proximity node and a cube. Make the shrub material green and rough. To really sell the realism, let's add clouds. Make a cube and make it big. Add some noise to a volume texture and plug it into the emission. Add some cloud shadows with another volume cube between the ground and the sun. Increase your resolution to infinity, and you too can make cool drone shots from the comfort of your home.